In this video I will show you how to use a Turner peel, and I will give you the visual trick I used to learn back in the days. Hello everybody, welcome back to Fabioulous Pizza, and today I will tell you something about this tool. A little thing we use to turn pizza while it's baking, and this is why it's called Turner peel, great effort of creativity. I'm sure that if you are the proud owner of an outdoor pizza oven, you are already familiar with the Turner. Oh, and speaking of outdoor pizza ovens, feel free to send me a message if you want to know which one I like. It's probably not the brand you're thinking. By the way, you might find this thing useful even when you bake in your kitchen's oven, like I do most of the time. In fact, it's unlikely that an oven cooks evenly, so you still have to turn your pizza in order to avoid different baking levels, so to speak, and different colors all around the edge in particular. Okay, let me stop now, no talking. Yes, turning, worktop. No, sorry, one more thing. If you feel like supporting me, scroll down and have a look at the description of the video. You will find a few ways to tell me that I'm doing the right thing. For example, you can buy this t-shirt. Here we are. I will show you the movements I do with and without pizza. Actually, without first, so it's easier to see. And I will show you what I think is a common mistake. Now, I know I am at risk of stating the obvious, but the idea is to put the Turner peel underneath one side of the pizza and turn, right? We spin it. I think we tend to move it almost 180 degrees. You ideally follow an arc with your turner, and that's correct, but it's not enough. And here's the mistake. I notice that many people follow this arc while holding the turner flat. Let me show what happens with pizza. It tends to slip away. See? It hardly spins. So here is the visual trick I devised for myself during my early days in the pizzeria. I don't know how many years ago, don't ask. I said we think about an arc, and the idea is to kind of roll it with the edge of the peel itself. You don't hold it flat, you tilt it, so there is always one edge touching the floor of the oven, or the table in my case, like this. Of course, I'm exaggerating here, my movement is very wide. Let me do it again in a more realistic way. The movement will be way shorter. I hope it's clear and easy to catch from the video, but you know you can always drop me a comment just in case, right? And I will do my best to reply to every comment. Maybe with a new video if necessary. And now let's do it with pizza. And please do not blame this pizza. I already know there is somebody out there who's saying it's undercooked, it's white, and where's the cheese, and blah blah blah. I baked it halfway through because it's 4 o'clock. I don't want to eat it now, I will eat it later. When you gain momentum, you can turn continuously. My pizza is turning smoothly and spinning. You spin me round like a record, baby. In the end, it's one of those things that it's easier done than said. But still, I think that there is at least one important takeaway here. That is, you don't need to learn how to use a turner while you bake. You can make one pizza just for the purpose of learning, then do like I did on my table. Put it on your worktop and then spin, turn it.